Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily get free Play points from your Google Play Store. So I'll show you how you can do this. So you can use these Google Play points to purchase redeem codes or maybe make in-app purchases. So let's get started. First you will have to do is open your Play Store, and now you will have to click on your profile icon right here, and you can see this option coming Play points bronze. You have to click on it, and you will have this first section called earn section. You can see that in this earn section, if you scroll down, you can see this thing: earn 20 points when you install this app for a day. So you'll have to install the slots mobile kingdom wars for a day, and you will get 20 points. So I'll click on it, and now I'll click on install. So and now if you, after installation, you have to open this app and then keep the app for a day, and Google Play Store will redeem this 20 play points to your account. You can use these points to get Google free redeem codes or Google Play credits, or make in-app purchases right like this. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.